Hi, I'm happy you're here once again. Today we are going to look at how to prepare simple chapats home for breakfast. Enjoy. This is a mixture of smashed onions, carrots, garlic, and some small green pepper. This is what we are going to put into our chapats. So for starters, you put this in your bowl, smashed very well. They should be smashed and soft. Put in warm water, the desired level of water that you need. Add salt to taste. And then add in some cooking oil. Good. See that? The cooking oil is to make our chapati soft. We now put in our flour and make the dough. Put in the flour and make the dough. See, our dough now looks ready. How do you know it's ready? It is all off your fingers. As you can see, it still looks soft. Make sure it remains soft. That is why you put that cooking oil, and also to mix the chapatis when the water is warm. So we can now make pieces, the desired pieces of our chapats. We now get piece by piece of our made dough. We are going to roll our chapats one by one. Put a pinch of wheat flour. See? Then you can start rolling. Do this to every piece that you made of the chapat. Now this is the chapat. Now this is the real thing. This is the chapat, guys. See that? Stop at the size that you want. Now this is enough for me. Put aside. Roll all. Put the pinch of flour. I told you, you roll all your pieces. When you finish, then we can go to fry. We now put our cooking oil onto the pan. We are frying the chapatis. Bring the chapati. See that? You fry. You cook one side, fry one side, then turn the other side. See that? Our chapati looks ready. Ready and yummy. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and always like my videos. See that? Our chapati is ready. You can now put another one. Still, first put cooking oil. Make sure it has heated up. Then put the chapati. As you can see, our chapats are ready. This is what we have. See that? I can now taste on your behalf. You can never go wrong when you follow my videos. The taste is lit. So for more of such videos, please guys, endeavor to follow, comment, like, subscribe, and do not forget to hit the bell button to always get notifications of when I put new videos. See you next time. Bye bye.